gonna learn how to make multi-strand drop earrings like this one. I have used crystal beads in this one. So let us start making. For this we are going to need the same materials as in the previous video, but multiple odd number of headpins. So I am going to put the bead and cut the headpin to the size desired. So I am going to cut this much. We have to make the loop, so cut it so that we can make a loop. Okay. Next I am going to bend it to the 90-degree angle and make a loop. If you don't know how to make a loop, please watch our previous video and learn how to make a loop before watching this video. So I have made a loop. Next I am going to take the second headpin and put the beads. So yeah, I am going to put it like this. You can put in any design you want or anything you want. It's your choice, but I like this way, so I'm going to put it this way. So next I'm going to cut it in the size I want. So this I'm going to cut only little because I want it a little bigger than the first one I made. So next I'm going to just write in it and make a loop. So the next I'm going to take a headpin again. So I said we have to make 3 headpins with beads in it. So the next I'm going to use this one and cut it. I'm not going to cut this one. This one I need the biggest one. And I'm going to bend it. Okay, we'll cut a little more if you want it. And make a loop. Don't close your loop. Okay, now we are going to take the hook. I'm going to put this bead the first. You can put any bead in your choice. So first I'm going to put this bead and tighten it with the flat nose plier. And then close it with a round nose plier. So then next we are going to take the second bead. I'm going to take this one and insert in this. And for the bigger things we first lock this like this, okay, and then secure it with a flat nose plier. Next we are going to take the third one, and put it the last into the hook and close it, just the way you did the rest of them. Yes, now tighten it with the flat nose plier. And now our cute little multi-strand drop earring is ready.